If Amazon is prepping your items for shipment, you'll create all your FBA Inbound shipments in Seller Central. But these can be imported right into your Sellercloud account quickly and easily. Note that these shipments must be sent from Sellercloud, not from Seller Central, for accurate inventory counts. To access your FBA Inbound shipments, click Manage FBA Shipments from the Inventory dropdown. The shipping queue grid displays all your FBA shipments. Find the shipment you want and copy the shipment ID. Now, using the shipment ID, you can import the FBA Inbound shipment directly into Sellercloud. Click Import FBA Inbound Shipment. Enter the Amazon shipment ID you copied from Seller Central into the field. Preview your shipment and click the green flag to finish. Your shipment will import directly from Seller Central. Clicking the notification gives you quick access to your imported FBA shipment. The various panels show all the basic info about your shipment. You can go to the Amazon Shipments panel and click the icon next to the shipment ID. This lets you jump right back to your Seller Central account, where you can view the shipment that you imported. And using the Amazon Shipments toolbox in Sellercloud, you can see your imported shipment specifics, such as items, boxes, and the shipping weight. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to receive the latest updates and information. Contact us today to speak to a representative.